Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. And see again I'm back here to teach you Standard 3 English course. So in this chapter we are talking about a plant, a leaf, a dandelion leaf. So we know that for growing any plants we need the air, water and sunlight. We know that like us plant is also a living things. So they also need water, they also need food to protect, to grow. So we just give the water, they just make with the sunlight, air and plants, and they just make the food from the sunlight, from the air and from the water. So like human beings, they are just breathing, the plants also needs to breathe. In fact, the dandelion leaf, they just catch the sunlight from the sun energy from the sun, and they just make their own food in green substances, which is called chlorophyll. In fact, their leaves, they prepare the food with the help of sunlight, water, and the sun. So, like the dandelion leaf, they just take the oxygen. Like if we are like human breathe out oxygen, like we are just taking out the oxygen and we are releasing the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide the plant is taking, and plant is just releasing the oxygen. So if plant is releasing the oxygen, then we are taking the oxygen and we are breathing the carbon dioxide, then plant is taking the carbon dioxide. So we directly just connect with the plants, so it gives us air to breathe. So that's why we should not cut the leaves, we should always protect it. And it goes on inside each blade of grass, each pine needles and each rose leaf. So it goes that the air and it turned into the food. It is inside all the grasses, all the pine needles, and in fact each roses also. Every leaf used performs that all that secrets invisible chemistry. So every leaf, the plant of leaf, they just performs in a secret, invisible, that we can't see, but it is invisible in chemistry, like the study of substances, different types of substances, chemistry. Then there is different types of stethoscope is there, then with the help of that we can see the plants, they just make the food, they can prepare. So for that it is a secret for all the leaf they can make, and it is invisible and we can't see that. Only we leaves can create food by putting together grass from air and energy from sunlight. So only the leaves, not the other parts of the plant like roots, branches, only leaves they can create the foods, and they can make the foods with the help of air, water and sunlight. They just take the air and they just use the sunlight from the sun and water. So that is called photosynthesis. That is called, that energy is which they take from the sunlight, it's called the photosynthesis. And now you know some of my secrets, and now you know some of the plant secret and some of the dandelion leaf secrets. So this chapter and this story, it has taken from the book of Awesome Stuff by Charlene Brotman. Next page, there is also one example of now we will hear about the lemon plants, that has to say now what he is just saying. That is the story we will see here in this video only. It is from the page number 124, related in this chapter only, chapter 11. Now, hi kids, I'm a lemon plant. I'm the one who gives you lovely juicy lemon with which you can make lemonders and iced tea. So you know that we can use a lemon in different types. It can give so much like juices, and with the help of that we can make the lemon teas and iced teas. So here he is talking about, he is just telling himself that hey I am the lemon plant, and I am the only one plant who can gives you a lovely juicy with that you can make lavenders and iced teas. You almost never get to see me in person and only make friends with my fruits. So the lemon is saying that you never get me that in that person, you just only make my friends with that fruits. Let me tell you how you can keep me in your home, and someday I might yield you your own lemons if you are up for it. Let's begin. So he just going to tell that in this chapter that how we can keep that lemon in our home, and how we can use it, that and how we can grow your own lemons. So he just telling. So let's start. The next time your mummy cuts a lemon to make you your favorite nimbu pani, ask her to give you a few seeds from the lemon, which usually goes straight to the dustbin. Then he just saying that he explaining to the students that if next time your mummy he just cut the lemons to make your favorite nimbu pani. We used to make the nimbu pani with the salt, with the sugar, water, and that lemon. So on that time you can ask with your mother to give you some few seeds from the lemons, which we can usually that lemon and we just throw it into dustbin. We do not do that. We just take we just take that seeds. You just tell to your mother that give that few seeds instead of throwing that all seeds into the dustbin. Next, collect at least 5, as not all of them may live up to become a plant. So you can collect from the lemon only 5 seeds, not more than 5 seeds, and with the help of that you can grow your own plant. Soak them in warm water for at least 6 to 12 hours and wipe them dry before you potting them. So after that, the 5 seeds you have taken from the lemon, you can soak them and you can put them into a warm water at least 6 to 12 hours, and then after you can wipe them into dry before you can go and you can putting them in a pot for planting. You can see that girl is doing, he just soaking that dry water, he just wiping that dry them with dry so that she can pot them into that pot for growing that lemon trees. Now ask one of the elders in the house to prepare a pot with soil in it. Now you can tell to your one elders, they can make a pot with full filled with the soil. Now once it's done, dig a small hole with the back of a pencil, the depth half of your index finger. After that, you can dig that soil into small holes, and then after you can place that into the soil and place the seeds. You prepare the cover them with the soil, and then after you can just keep that seeds into that soil and you can cover with that seeds with the soil. Now next, what happened that we will see in the next class, that how it can grows into a plant through the lemon seeds, that we will see in the next class. So please kindly watch the next classes. Do not skip the videos. Watch all the videos till last and complete the all homework. Stay at home, be happy, do not go outside. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye.